Welcome back to Alltech, your go-to source for the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're diving into the future of augmented reality with the ASUS AirVision M1 Smart AR glasses. Let's take a closer look at the incredible features packed into these lightweight, high-performance glasses. Oh, if you want to know more detail of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. The ASUS AirVision M1 offers an immersive visual experience that's hard to beat. With up to a 100-inch display, it creates an expansive view that feels like you're looking at a massive screen, all within the comfort of your glasses. The 1100 nits brightness ensures vivid, clear images even in bright environments, while the 95% DCI-P3 color gamut brings lifelike, vibrant details to your content. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or working, the display quality is stunning. These smart glasses are not just for entertainment, they're also designed for productivity. With Type-C notebook compatibility, the AirVision M1 lets you set up a multi-screen workspace anywhere. It's a game changer for remote workers, students, or anyone who needs to stay productive while on the go. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures you can wear them comfortably for hours, turning any place into your ideal workspace. For gamers, the ASUS AirVision M1 integrates seamlessly with the ROG Ally, offering superior visuals and gaming performance. The AR display enhances your gaming experience, providing an immersive environment that brings your favorite games to life. The quality of the visuals and the responsiveness will give you the edge during gameplay, making it a must-have for any serious gamer. The AirVision M1 is packed with useful features, including the AirVision app, which supports multi-screen setups, screen distance adjustments, and pupil distance customization. This ensures that you get the best fit and viewing experience tailored to your needs. The glasses also come with built-in speakers, a noise-canceling mic, and high transparency for safety while on the move. The ASUS AirVision M1 Smart AR glasses are a leap into the future of portable tech. Whether you're looking for an immersive media experience, a boost to your productivity, or a way to level up your gaming, these glasses have it all. Their versatile functionality, lightweight design, and high-quality display make them a standout choice for tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Alltech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech. What do you think of the ASUS AirVision M1? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and we'll catch you in the next video.